Who says turning your photo into a cool vector-style artwork has to be complicated, time-consuming, or cost a fortune hiring a graphic designer? Let me show you just how easy and fun it actually is. All you need is one good photo and a little magic. Okay, not real magic, just a simple prompt I'm gonna give you. Here's how you do it. First, grab your best photo. Yep, the one that makes you look extra cool. Next, open up your browser. Google Chrome works great, but honestly, any browser will do. Now head over to the ChatGPT website. I've made it super easy for you by putting the link right in the description. Just scroll down and tap it. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. You can use your Google account, or if you don't have one, just sign up with your email. It only takes a minute. After you're logged in, look for the little plus icon, tap it, and choose Photo Library. Go ahead and select that awesome photo you picked earlier. Now here comes the fun part. Copy the special prompt I've written in the description. It's short, simple, and kind of magical. Paste it into the chat box. Hit that send button, and wait just a little bit while it works its magic. When your image is ready, and trust me, it's gonna look amazing. Tap and hold on the picture, then just download it straight to your phone. And that's it. No complicated software, no hours of editing, and no pricey designers. Just one prompt, one photo, and a few taps. Try it out and tell me how your vector turns out in the comments. I bet it's gonna blow your mind.